Welcome back everyone, Jason here, and today we're going to make a turkey thigh fillet. We're going to marinate it for 2 hours because I'm hungry, and we're going to cook it in an iron skillet. And during this video I'm going to give you a few tips how to not burn, well, the turkey, but not have the meat stick to the pan. And this is going to go great with if you just want to make it with rice or if you want to make some quesadillas, but definitely try this recipe out. I'm just talking too much. Anyways, let's get started. So first, ensure you wash the turkey thigh fillet and dry it with a paper towel. Now, as you have it placed on this cutting board, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of salt. Ensure you mix all these ingredients into the thigh. Next is 4 tablespoons of pepper, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of garlic powder. Next, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of smoked paprika. And just rub it all in there, ensure it's evenly coated. There we go. Now give it a little slap, for good luck. Place in a Ziploc bag. And we're going to let it marinate for 2 hours. If you have time, do it for 8 hours. And one last thing. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of Sprite, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. And it's going to give it a sweet flavor, but also it's going to help you build an amazing crust. Now here's a hot skillet. The tip is, you see how there's no oil? Only add the oil at the end, right before you put the steak or thigh or chicken onto the pan. It would prevent it from burning, and it would help the meat. Oh wow, that sounds amazing. It would help the meat not stick to the pan. You hear that? It's instantly making the bottom crispy, getting that crust, and it smells amazing. Now we're gonna add some garlic cloves. I did 3, but I probably should have added like 6 or 7 to get that flavor, Wow. So about 5 minutes, we're gonna let this just cook on the bottom. In 5 minutes, you're gonna flip it, and chicken's done when it doesn't stick. So when you pull on it, and if it gives you some tension, it's not done. Now we're gonna add a little butter. Just throw it in the center. Wow, and that's 5 minutes right here, everyone. And the last thing we're gonna do is, so we don't burn or overcook it, we're gonna place this on a rack, okay? Right here, and we're gonna put it in the oven at 275 for about 20 minutes. I would check on it at 15 minutes, but about 20 minutes is kind of the magic number, but 15 to 20 minutes. I say about 20 minutes. Put it in the oven, and in 20 minutes, there you have it. This smells amazing. See, look at that. The brown sugar, the soy sauce, it gives it that beautiful flavor. Look how juicy that is. It's cutting literally like butter. You see all the juices, and and I can't wait to eat this. I surprised myself. Pretty easy, right? About 30 minutes, marinating the meat, about 2 hours. I guess the hardest part is just not eating it as I was cutting the meat, Let's try a piece right here. Looks good. Soft. Tender, juicy. I think I'm gonna put this turkey inside make some quesadillas right now, and maybe some guacamole, which I made a video about. But let me know what you guys think, and if you had any issues, if the meat stuck to the pan. And as always, have a great night. Goodbye.